Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on locating functional groups in FTIR spectrum. We will be analyzing a spectrum and identifying the functional groups present. As we can see, our FTIR spectrum is divided into two main regions. The first one is the fingerprint region, the second one is the functional group region. The fingerprint region ranging from 400 to 1500 per centimeter, while the functional group region starting from 1500 to 4000 per centimeter. But here we will be focusing on the functional group region to identify the specific functional groups. There are two types of tools for locating functional group in spectra. The first one is the Origin Pro text tool. The second one is the PowerPoint text tool. Firstly, we will be discussing the Origin Pro text tool. For that purpose, click on the left side T, which is the text tool, and then click where you want to locate the functional group. Let's start with the CH stretch, which is commonly found in organic compounds. So the absorption frequency for CH stretch is starting from 2800 to 3000 per centimeter. So we will be right here in capital letters. And now you can position it where you want to locate it. In this way, you can annotate all of your required functional groups according to your structure and FTIR results. Now delete for next learning with PPT. For that purpose, click on the PowerPoint option, which is showing in purple color. Click OK, and then it will move towards the PowerPoint. Alternatively, we can use the PowerPoint to annotate our spectrum. For that purpose, click on the Insert, then click on Shapes, and then click on A, which is the text box. And then click where you want to locate your functional groups. Click and then write. Let's start with the CH stretch again. And adjust the position. You can also rotate it. We should know that FTIR spectra of every organic compound has its own characteristics and absorption frequencies. So most of the organic compounds have carbonyl, hydroxyl, CH, carbon, double bond, carbon stretch, etc. as a general knowledge. Next, let's identify the halogen groups. For that purpose, again go to the Insert, Shapes, Text tool, and click where you want to locate. As we know that carbon halogen bonds show absorption frequency at specific range 700 to 750 per centimeter for chlorine, 1000 to 1100 for bromine, and 500 to 600 for other halogens like bromine. So it's better to write the carbon propene functional group here. Should be small and fix its position. The absorption frequency for carbonyl stretch, which can be primary, secondary and tertiary, is starting from 1650 to 1700. So we can write by same method. After locating all of your functional group, then go to the shape format and then click on the group after selecting all of your groups, and your position of all of your group will be fixed. Now you can move your spectra in any document without any change. If you have any question, then you can ask me Thank you for watching. Love.